Well, we started at camp and we saw a staircase, maybe 60 stairs, and the group decided to go to the top of the staircase. Not a bad view, eh? It's amazing. Then we got to the top of the staircase and we saw another peak. We thought we'd made it this far, we'll go a little further. Then about 2,600 feet later, we made it up there to the highest peak we could find. This all started as just walking up a single staircase, and now we're going back down. It's morning, day 2. It is absolutely beautiful out here. Yesterday we hiked to the top of a mountain. Today I think we're hiking to the top of another mountain. I woke up with the sun, just had a beautiful shower, feeling nice and fresh, good cup of coffee. The hosts here are super thoughtful and really like all the food has been delicious. They brewed a pot of coffee last night and left it in a thermos so that this morning all us early risers could get a cup of joe. I thought that was a really nice touch. The whole idea of this trip, right, is doing like a digital detox. But they have really good Wi-Fi out here. So I might have snuck a couple Instagram photos in, and one of the guys FaceTimed his girlfriend or his fiance from the top of the mountain yesterday. So it's not exactly a digital detox. Interestingly though, they have really good cell service out in the this kind of remote region of Iceland because there was a volcano eruption here, like back in 2010, I think. It was all over the news. It like stopped air travel, and yeah, because of the volcano eruption, they made a point to put in cell phone towers so that there was an emergency warning system for all the people out here. I found a river. We are hiking on ice in Iceland. Very meta. Sometimes going down this
is also a fucking workout.
You can really feel it in the knees and the calves. We are walking through an Icelandic forest right now.
His name we cannot pronounce.
Like most things in Iceland, the name we cannot pronounce. And the trees are only slightly taller than I am. But apparently, when the ground is made of dried up lava and relatively new, it's the best they can do. Lava and ash. Hari, my friend, you should be a vlogger. You're a natural.
What?
A few of us decided to go on the hard hike. And it is hard. I believe for the second time in 2 days, made it to the summit. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop.
Mountain buddies.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, 2 for 2.
Yeah. Adventurous group went on a real hike. We are going on a booze cruise, and we don't know where we're going. I was picked as the leader for this trip. I have no idea where I'm going or what I'm doing. And we're hiking in more snow and ice. Blocking the wind, and we're huddling for warmth while we wait for our friends while they take pictures and drink beer. Hey guys, okay, I'm cutting in again. I did this last week. I'm having a couple problems here. The song is getting super intense right now, but the footage I have is like a babbling brook and these beautiful scenic shots of Iceland. Like it doesn't really match up. I have way too much footage again for a single video. I think I'm gonna do a third Iceland video. What's the other problem? Oh, the other problem is that I was really like not focusing on making a video or telling a story. I was really focusing on like getting to know everyone on the trip and having fun and relaxing. So if you weren't on the Iceland trip, this video might be kind of boring, and I apologize. Like, there's not a lot of substance other than shots of us hiking and mountains and things like that, drone footage. Anyways, that's where I'm at with the video, and thanks for watching. Today is the last day in Thórsmörk. Mendel and the Adventures with Geek's crew, who I think it's just Mendel, but he really hit a sweet spot with a bunch of different elements of this trip. Mainly, there was about 20 people, and we were here for about 4 days, and it was just enough time to get to know every single person here on a deeper level than you would get to know anyone if you just met them at a night out or at a party or a conference. It was just a bonding experience unlike anything else. I mean, there's really nothing like going out and camping with someone and sharing a bathroom and a shower and a meal and adventuring together. It was so fun to get to watch, all of these adventurous and fun, amazing people get together in one place and interact. Thanks, Mendel, and thanks everyone who came. Thanks for making this so much fun, and I'm genuinely looking forward to coming out here again or somewhere else in the world and doing it again next year.
It's the quietest anybody's been.
You charge it, you close it, and then when it starts clicking, you then turn the key. The digital detox is officially over.